How's it going? You can't afford seal. It's the only one we got. Oh man, we got that one armed. Man, it's not the real thing. Oh my goodness.
Alright, let's pop her up.
We've got to do a skit of this, please. It's gonna fall off.
This is crazy.
Oh, I gotta pick my ear.
How's it now?
Alright, somebody get prepared tonight.
Can't afford to. Bro, we got out now.
Fun for me to try and deal with this tomorrow.
Thanks, Mom.
All right,
Cameron.
You're welcome for that. That was expensive. Hello.
I gotta do that
Alright, let's go.
This is the setup just to keep it from collapsing.
too. I gotta go.
I'll tuck him
We in her say prayers.
Man, I should have been recording earlier.
in. She'll stand for the bathroom. Here's under the door. Okay.
Oh gosh, the street's not done.
Wow.
Oh, Cameron,
Get off,
I got
don't
homework.
I was just gonna hurt you.
Oh, it never ends.
Hey, here's Cameron. Finally, I'm in bed. This is his bed. Good night, Mom. Good night. Can't wait to get myself some quality rest. Get up, Cameron. No! Everyone says yes. I can't sleep either.
Come on,
No,
Cameron,
roast
finish
it.
the seal, man. Let's
go lay down.
finish this.
Nation National.
Hey, Cameron.
Gosh.
You're gonna need. Look at me. I just spent $24 on that Coca-Cola.
Gosh, you have to ruin all the fun. The first second you're happy and all playful and fun, and then the next second you're all
Tomorrow's
freaking
school,
mean and
I gotta
angry.
get you in bed. If Mom wants to stay up and piddle paddle over those papers, let her.
You just
I
gotta
gotta
say
get
that.
Let me
as
see
a
my handwriting.
I just want you to start reading the Bible. That's right.
Stop burping.
Come on.
Zit Universe
Mom,
Galaxy
tuck
on the
me
face.
I'm coming.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's go.
Oh,
Go.
slave.
Yes. Why? Who's buying you a Johnny Lightning a day? I don't want to hear it. Well, you didn't get me one Wednesday.
So, Mom, how did this happen?
I was trying to fix it, made it worse.
No one come over. There's nothing in the doors. It's all literally on the shelves. I've laughed so much today. I can't laugh anymore. I think the muscles in my mouth are tired because I've laughed so much today. It's ridiculous. I should have been recording earlier, but